Here's a thought. Throughout this video, I will be thorough in explaining these tough words. Though it will be hard, if you push through it, it will be easy. Let's talk about how to correctly enunciate these words. Remember, in order to get the most out of this video, make sure to repeat after me. Let's do this. Though. This word means despite the fact that, however. Though it was raining, they decided to go for a walk. Though it was raining, they decided to go for a walk. Number 2. I enjoyed the movie, though some scenes were a bit intense. Though I enjoyed the movie, some scenes were a bit intense. Thought. This means process of thinking in the past tense. This is the past tense form of to think. Deep in thought, she pondered the meaning of the poem. Deep in thought, she pondered the meaning of poem. Number 2. Your thought on the matter is valuable. Please share it with the team. Your thought on the matter is valuable. Please share it with the team. Tough. This means strong and durable, or difficult or challenging, depending on the context. Leather jacket is tough and can withstand tough conditions. The leather jacket is tough. It can withstand tough conditions. Number 2. Running a marathon is tough, but the sense of accomplishment is worth it. Running a marathon is tough, but the sense of accomplishment is worth it. Real quick, before we get back to the video, if you're interested in improving your English faster, then make sure you click the link in the description or first pinned comment to get my free guide that will give you tips, tricks, and advice for improving your English faster and more effective. These are the same methods I recommend to my students, and now I'm giving them to you for free. So if you want to improve your English further, then make sure you check out the link in the description and first pin comment to get that guide. Now with that out of the way, let's get back to the video. The next one is thorough, complete and with attention to every detail. She conducted a thorough investigation to find the root cause of the issue. She conducted a thorough investigation to find the root cause of the issue. Number 2. A thorough understanding of the topic is essential for success in the exam. A thorough understanding of the topic is essential for success in the exam. Through. This means to move in one side and come out the other. We walked through the forest to reach the other side of the trail. We walked through the forest to reach the other side of the trail. Number 2. He persisted through difficult times and eventually reached his goals. He persisted through difficult times and eventually reached his goals. Throughout. This means in every part of, during the whole time or extent of. The music played throughout the party and created a festive atmosphere. Music played throughout the party and created a festive atmosphere. Number 2. She remained calm throughout the crisis, providing leadership to the team. She remained calm throughout the crisis, providing leadership to the team. If you want my personalized help in improving your English, then consider applying from my coaching program. If you're someone who wants more accountability, and if you want the actual English transformation that we provide, then we can have a chat and see how I can help you go from feeling frustrated and limited to super confident and fluent in English, so you can take advantage of career opportunities in English speaking scenarios. So if that's something that you're interested in, then make sure to click the link in the description to book a free consultation call to see how I can help you and whether you're a fit for my program. Now, at this point of the video, I've taught you the correct pronunciation and differences between these important words. However, if you want a guide to becoming fluent in English this year, then check out this video here where I'll give you amazing tips for becoming fluent in English. Thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe for more free lessons just like this and hit that like button. So I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye!